All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you know what time it is. This is the $300 to 25K journey, and let me tell you something. It was a journey to hell this week. Uh, so I missed out on the previous week's episode. I was visiting my family, so we didn't get to record. So I'm not even going to bother with a full 2 weeks review on this one. We're going to keep her short and sweet because it was a rough one. Now, let me bring you in close real quick, okay? You remember when I told you don't put any money in the stock market you aren't willing to lose? Well, I was the poster child for that the past few weeks, especially this past week. So let's go ahead and look at just how bad that was. Okay, I can explain. I just sucked. There's your explanation. This is a great time. Hope you love tuning in. This was a short one. But now, all jokes aside, let me tell you exactly what went wrong here. I thought to myself, like I have many times before, and I can't seem to get it through my own stupid head, hey man, you know it'd be dope if you played some options today. Yeah, that sounds great, I said to myself. Then I screwed myself. Wasn't a pretty sight. I've made tons of money in moments, and I've lost it all in moments. And here we are with a blown up account this week. Pretty much, I'm starting from nothing. Okay. The $300 challenge might as well be renamed to the $30 challenge to $25,000 because that's where we're at right now. And I see the best part about this, I can laugh about this. I was willing to lose that money. Okay. I'm telling you right now, if you aren't willing to lose that money, you will not be laughing like I am. So please, remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Duh. Okay? Because if you would have followed my opinion on options, which I never told you to do it, I even said avoided it. To avoid it, not avoided it. I certainly didn't avoid it. Here we are. This is what happened. And now I'm not saying don't ever play options. Play good setups. You know, what I am saying, don't throw your whole account in it. Because that's what I did. I only didn't throw in about $50. And even that $50 I'm losing money on right now. And what did I decide to do with that money? I bought some options again. Because I just can't quit that crack. Okay? But honestly, at this low of a level, in order to get back in any way possible, I have to make drastic moves. Whatever I'm doing now, I'm putting my full account in. Because I don't have much of a full account. You probably have more in your wallet right now than I have in my Robinhood. If we're just being honest. Okay? I'm in an iBio call right now for $750 whole way out in September. I'm cool with that. I'm straight. Okay? I bought that at, let's take a quick look so that you understand where I'm coming from for next week. So if iBio decides to drop into the nether regions, you can make fun of me throughout the week casually. Bought my average cost per share at 15 cents, which, as we've talked about before, that means $15 because you're buying 100 contracts of it. Okay? Bought 2 of them, so that's $30 value, down $4 right now. Not too bad. Could be way worse where the price point is right now. Okay? But I do have faith in this company. Good COVID-19 play. I'm fine with it. That's the only play I'm in right now. Because that's all I can afford. And you know what? You got to start somewhere. I want to tell you guys something. Bring my face back in. Let's talk. This is something important you guys are going to have to realize really quick. Okay? You're going to lose. And you're going to lose hard sometimes. I lost the hardest I ever did. Right there. I'm laughing about it. And I'm okay. You got to be resilient. You got to make sure you're not being an emotional trader. And you need to know you learn from those mistakes. Okay? You don't lose if you learn. I just know how to not play options now. And I know not to throw all my money into options now. And I won't make that mistake again. Right now, I have all my money in options because it's $30. But I have rules set up now to where I don't do that anymore. All right. Let's go look at Webull now. Because we are done with Robinhood. Because there wasn't much to see there. All right. So where we were last week, we were sitting pretty high at one point. Early on in the week, I had Givo. Okay. I bought it. Actually, let's go look at the specific stock P&Ls. Okay. Givo right here. Okay. I bought it at $1.45. Here's the problem, though. That went the entire way to $2.20 at one point. And because I have a cash account on Webull, I cannot sell out in the same day and do a day trade unless my money's settled. Okay? That's frustrating. I love Webull more than Robinhood for a lot of the different features it has, but their margin account, you have to have $2,000 in order to do that. That's my first major goal for this account specifically, is to get to $2,000 so that I can basically make it my Robinhood account, but better. Okay? This will be my main account. It has to be my main account now since, I have freaking 7 times more money in here since I blew up the other one. I actually am still on pace with my goal right now because of how well I did with Mara and how well I did with Givo. I'm down right now on iBio, okay? And you can see that when we go back over here in positions. Down pretty heavy, honestly. Part of the problem is I couldn't sell out because it's a cash account and my funds aren't settled right now. But I talked about in one of my previous videos for the week, I still have a lot of faith in iBio right now. Has a lot of good momentum, and I think we see a big jump back into the $3-4 range real soon. Okay. Another thing I did on here, I bought my first options on Webull. I thought, this process, I've never seen it before. It looks kind of strange, but I went for it because I was looking at this stock in particular, which I'm going to be honest, don't even remember what the name of the company fully is. Let's just look them up real quick. NAK. Okay, let's look at this chart. There was a big, I don't know if it was a story or just a news cycle that came out basically making them tank horribly. So I bought some options right in there, and I am just going to ride those back to the top. I only have about, $15 in that, but I wanted to try it out, see how far I could actually go with it. I'm already up 73%, and these don't expire until September, so I'm cool with that. Pretty much what I'm looking at right now is trying to swing my trades right in Webull and throw some Hail Marys in Robinhood right now. So, do me a favor. Let's go back to the face cam. Here it is. Okay. Do you have a Robinhood? Do you have a Webull? If you don't have either, let's help each other out. Let's do this together, all right? I got a link down below for Robinhood. You get 1 free stock just for signing up. Don't even have to fund any money in it. They're giving away a stock for literally nothing, okay? You get one, I get one. Help my account out, man. Help a poor guy who's got $30 in his Robinhood account because he's stupid. Help him be smart. Webull, down there too. Don't have to fund anything. You get 1 free stock. Okay? Fund at $100, 2 free stocks. Come on. You're probably going to fund it with $100. But what I'm telling you not to do, don't throw that money all at options. That's going to be it for this week of the journey from $30 now to $25,000. And let's hope that next week is a little bit better than what it was this week in the past 2 weeks because, man, I'm going to need some stronger drinks for this show if that's the case. All right. See you next time.